Okay, so now that we've revised factorizing quadratic trinomials, we're going to bring it one step further here to solve them. Now, you can see in the exercise 13.2, when we look here at question 1, I have x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 3 is equal to 0, and I want to solve. So this is actually factorized already, so I'm straight to my answer. If I have two brackets multiplying each other and to give 0, that means that either x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so again, look, we've seen this idea before when we were solving the other types of quadratics. So that gives me x equals minus 2 and x equals 3. There is no need to multiply out these brackets because they already multiply to give 0, so I can just go straight to my answer. Okay, now in the next question here, in question 5, you can see that I've got x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. So it's in the form of a trinomial because I have an x squared value, an x value, a number value, and it's equal to 0. Okay. So first thing we need to do is factorize this the way we did in the previous examples. So this is 1x squared, so I get the guide number. So 1 by 6 is equal to 6. So my guide number has the factors 1, 6, and 2 times 3. Okay. So I need the factors that would add up to give 5. Now again, 6 minus 1 would give 5, but 6 multiplied by minus 1 would give minus 6, so that's not good. So it's going to be 2 and 3. It's going to be 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So I'm going to rewrite this as x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay? Now I can look at the first two terms and get the highest common factor. So x outside of x plus 2 plus, and I look at the second two terms, and again I get the highest common factor. In this case is 3 outside of x plus 2. Now, most importantly, again, you can see that these two brackets are identical, which means x plus 2 is the common factor of both terms, leaving me with the x plus 3 inside the bracket equal to 0. Now, so that's as far as we did in the previous examples when we were factorizing, but now we're in a position to solve. Because x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 3 gives 0, that means I have two possible solutions, x plus 2 equals 0 or x plus 3 equals 0, leave me with x equals minus 2 and x equals minus 3. And that is fully solved.